Robot vacuums have come a long way, and as of 2025, the market is packed with innovative models that cater to a variety of needs. Here's are the best robot vacuums you can expect in 2025, based on performance, features, and customer feedback. Number 1. 3i-S10 Ultra Robot Vacuum. The 3i-S10 Ultra is a powerhouse with 13,000 pascal suction, making it one of the strongest robot vacuums available. Its water recycle system ensures efficient mopping by reusing water while avoiding cross-contamination. The extendable roller mop adjusts to different floor types, and the self-cleaning, washing, and drying features keep maintenance minimal. With AI obstacle avoidance, it navigates around furniture, cables, and small objects effortlessly. Experience. In daily use, the 3i-S10 Ultra excels in both vacuuming and mopping. The self-emptying and refilling base station means you can go weeks without manual intervention. The mop washing system ensures no dirty water is left behind, and the strong suction easily picks up pet hair and deep-seated dust. Number 2. Roborock S8 Max V Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra combines 10,000 pascal suction with sonic mopping for deep cleaning. Its corner-to-edge technology ensures no spot is missed, while the hot air self-drying prevents mold and odors. The detergent dispenser automatically adds cleaning solution, and the advanced obstacle avoidance detects even small objects like socks and cables. Experience. The sonic mopping feature stands out. It vibrates at high speed to scrub away tough stains. The self-emptying and refilling base is a huge time saver, and the navigation is precise, avoiding obstacles better than most competitors. Number 3. Ecovacs Debit X8 Pro Omni. With an insane 18,000 pascal suction, the Ecovacs Debit X8 Pro Omni is a beast for deep cleaning. The Ozmo roller mop self-washes instantly, and the 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing ensures hygienic cleaning. It also features auto-cleaning solution adding and hot air drying for a fully hands-off experience. Real experience. This vacuum dominates on carpets, sucking up embedded dirt effortlessly. The hot water mop wash is a game-changer for sanitization, and the navigation is smooth, even in cluttered spaces. Number 4. Narwhal Frio X Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Narwhal Frio X Ultra focuses on ease of maintenance with its zero-tangling brush and dirt sense technology, which adjusts suction based on floor dirt levels. The auto mop drying/washing and self-contained dust processing make it one of the most hassle-free options. Experience. The low 8,200 pascal suction is still effective for daily cleaning, and the mop performance is excellent. The maintenance-free base station is a standout. No bags, no filters to replace.